Hello guys. Last project we work on Lambda function. Today we try something else. In this video I will upgrade the email marketing application. Here we're gonna start with SES. Now we're gonna create our identities. It's very easy to create identity. Identity is the thing we're gonna send with or the email we're gonna receive our template in, okay? Here when we create an identity, we choose between domain name or email address. Of course, we have an email address. Here's our identity. When you create our identity, we have to verify it. Okay, guys, as you see, identity static. I confirm this. Create another one. We go to identity. As you see here, it will be verified. Nice. Create another email. Okay, as you see, it's very. When you create our identities because all we need here is our identities. Okay, guys. After that, we go to DynamoDB. But I want to show you something before we go on dashboard to see how many send we have. Because I already used this, By default, 200 email per 24 hours. Okay, guys. We already see 33, so my remaining send is 167. But it's fine, our DynamoDB. You can go, which can find it here. Bring our identities from it, and we will send to them. You can see it's like data Excel. Okay, guys. Alright, we're gonna create it. Data. I can't call it anything. I will show you how to change this in our Lambda function. It's fine. I'm gonna call it data. Put an ID. Leave it string, okay? So we don't have any problem. Leave everything here by default. Come here. We will export JB. We put an item as we said. Now here our ID. As you see, we have here email, our first name. Alright, looking good. Select our eraser.io. Then DynamoDB, now we're gonna go to create our function. Alright, guys. As I said, you can find it here or import it. You will find the Lambda function in the description too. Don't forget to leave a comment on it. I'm sorry, watching on this section. We will need some grades. Leave it in the section description so you can read from there. And this is our function here for the DynamoDB. Table name. That's my table name data. Okay, you can go to this name. Nice and easy. Alright. Let's Let's go for a test to see if this is working. People pay attention, this will not work. Why? Try to answer. It's because we did not put our role to the function to give it permission. As you see guys, we're gonna go to permission to give it the role for our function to have access to DynamoDB and to send with SES. Okay, we came here to our permission. We click here on role, and we go to our IAM calls. We go to the IAM calls. Okay, let's wait. We're gonna add some permissions here. Inline policy. Our SES, you guys, you can follow this here. If you go for AWS, click on AWS, so we'll find it here. Okay, copy this like this. Okay, and copy this one. Okay, because you already have it here. AWS start. It says all the AWS we have to listen to. Okay, now we give it a name. Here's our policy. Nice and easy. Okay, good. Now let's read this out. Let's make another one. Just alright, as you see guys, it's all working in this sense successfully. Let's check this. We have only so it's much faster. Okay, here. We wait. Not to wait, guys. Not to wait. Next. I already did already, so actually lead me directly to my project. Okay. Nice and easy. Like this. And we go for Agile Cloud marketing. Okay. Main one. Next. Don't change anything here. Okay. Next. I think everything is working. Save and deploy. Okay. Let's try it. Yeah, this is our page here. Simple page, choose anything. This is here. We have build function here. We will click on contact us. It sends an email to our identities. Okay, guys. Now, when we finish with our Amplify, we're back to our creator to check. Now we have the EPA gateway. Let's go and create our EPA. Go to our console and click on the gateway. As I said, all the details are just log file. Okay, guys. Next EPI. By default, it creates API. Here, create method. Okay. This method will be a false method. So this the lambda function you can use all there. Okay. You have a large list. Now you can choose here, go by default, create method. Okay. Let's wait. Go here to my resource. can create resources. I like to look like this, you know. I like my files to be done. I'm gonna enable forms here. To default. Don't check this, okay? Just make every sort of like this. Delete. Origin make it start say all origins must be all origins must be false. All origins used to allow any origin to access the resource. So as you see here, guys, start is allow any origin to access our resource. Okay guys, content type, because we only have content type. If you came to our function here to check, let's get down. We will find content type. Okay guys, that's why I put here content type. Save. Options. Let's go for the integration response to check. Yeah, options. It was content type. Locking rules. Alright. Now I think we're gonna be fine. We hope for the better. Okay guys. I'm going to go to the new page. Okay, that's mean our API is working. I'm gonna do it again if you did not fail to test. Wait, back to our email, and as you see, our API is working. Okay, guys, now back to our Gateway. Okay, that's what we have. Okay. You will change the GitHub in the first step. Yeah, I'm going to change here. You will put your API. As you say, we have go from the deep to the deep again. Now as you say, it's working. Okay, contact us. Came here on another image. Yeah, it's another image. Our architecture, and that's all. Thanks for watching.